Today, we are going to explore how food and love can be intertwined and how our diets can impact our romantic relationship. Hi, I'm Dr. D, and in this video we will examine the connection between the food we eat and our mood, behavior, and romantic relationships. We will look at several key vitamins and nutrients and how they affect our brain and our mood, which can significantly impact our relationship. And lastly, we will talk about food addiction. We will look at how certain food is associated with food addiction and how that affects our romantic relationships. Food is often linked to special moments and celebrations, and when it comes to romance, there is nothing like sharing a meal with someone you love. Cooking together, trying your recipes, and sharing a table can bring people closer and create lasting memories. Eating out at a restaurant can also be a romantic experience, providing the opportunity to dress up, try new cuisine, and enjoy each other's company. But did you know that the food we eat can also affect our mood and our behavior and make a huge impact on our relationship? From a nutrition point of view, I see a strong connection between food and romance. Food plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, and when we are feeling good, we tend to be more confident, relaxed, and positive, all of which are crucial aspects of successful romantic relationship. On the other hand, when we are not eating well, we can feel sluggish, irritable, and negative, which can negatively impact our relationships. So let's talk about some key nutrients that can have a powerful impact on how we feel. One of the ways that food affects our mood and behavior is through its impact on our brain chemistry. For example, nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin B12 play a critical role in maintaining healthy brain function, including mood regulation and cognitive processing. Now, omega-3 fatty acids can be found in foods such as fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and have been shown to have a positive impact on mood and cognitive function by reducing inflammation and improving the integrity of our brain cell membranes. Vitamin B12, which is a B-complex vitamin, is essential for maintaining healthy brain function, including mood regulation, cognitive processing, and production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that are responsible for transmitting signals between the nerve cells in the brain. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can lead to mood swings, fatigue, and even depression. Now, good sources of vitamin B12 include animal products like meat, fish, dairy, as well as fortified breakfast cereals and plant-based milk. Other vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, and magnesium also play an important role in maintaining healthy brain function and overall well-being. By including a variety of nutrient-dense foods in our diet, we can ensure that our brains receive the nutrients they need to function optimally, which can regulate mood and behavior. Research has shown that foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates can lead to fluctuations in the blood sugar levels and have been linked to mood swings, irritability, and fatigue. Now, in contrast, eating complex carbohydrates in moderation, along with lean protein and healthy fats, can stabilize blood sugar levels, improve the mood and energy, and promote overall well-being. Now, certain foods can be highly addictive due to their impact on our brain chemistry. The science behind food addiction is rooted in our brain reward system. Our brain has evolved to reward us with behaviors that are essential for our survival, such as eating, drinking, and procreation. Eating certain foods, especially those that are high in sugar, fat, and salt, they trigger release of numerous chemicals, including neurotransmitter dopamine in the brain reward center, which is associated with feeling of pleasure and satisfaction. Now, the release of dopamine reinforces the behavior of eating these foods, creating a pleasurable experience that our brain definitely wants to repeat. Over time, these cycles of eating pleasurable foods can lead to changes in brain's chemistry and reward system, leading to a dependence on these foods for dopamine hit. As a result, individuals may crave these foods more frequently and consume larger quantities, leading to a pattern of binge eating and food addiction. However, it's important to know that everyone's response to food can be different. Some people are more susceptible to food addictions than others, and individual differences in genetics, brain chemistry, and environment can play a role in determining someone's vulnerability to food addiction. Now, when it comes to relationship, food addiction can have a negative impact on communication, intimacy, and overall relationship satisfaction. For instance, if one partner is struggling with food addiction, they may become preoccupied with food, eating, and weight, which can create a sense of shame and isolation. Now, this can interfere not only with intimacy and communication, but it can also affect the individual because they may feel more self-conscious or embarrassed about their relationship with food. Additionally, food addiction can also lead to financial strain as individuals may be spending a significant amount of money on food and eating out more frequently. All of these factors can contribute to tension, conflict, and sense of disconnection in romantic relationships. Eating a balanced diet can have a positive impact on physical health, which in turn can impact mood and behavior. For instance, consuming a diet rich in vegetables and some fruits, whole grains, lean protein has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and promote weight loss, all of which can have a positive impact on mood and behavior. This healthy diet provides us with not only energy but also mood-boosting nutrients that we need to maintain positive and loving relationships. From a psychological perspective, food can be a form of emotional connection between partners. Sharing meals, cooking together, and eating favorite foods can create a bond and increase intimacy. So the next time you sit down for a meal with someone you love, take a moment to appreciate the power of food and its impact on your relationship. And remember, eating well can help you feel good, be positive, and strengthen the bond of your romantic relationship. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Join us next week for another episode of Nutrition Corner with Dr. D. Until then, stay healthy and happy.